Let me show you how to draw a tornado. Here's how. Take a gray marker. And then it's going to be a huge tornado, so you know how huge tornadoes are usually like that size. Hold on. Let me go get my green real quick. Oh my god, I almost hit my head. Alright, where's the gray lid? You'll just take all my markers.
It's been 8 minutes already? Dang.
Oh god.
I gotta get my blue.
Don't like it silent in here, so I just gotta turn on my TV. I get lonely sometimes.
Y'all can probably see this, but I can't. That's my play thing.
I don't know why I hate silence. Alright, now, what you're gonna need to do.
No. You need to smell that. Smell it. Look, yeah, it's blueberry. God, I can't stop smelling it. It's so good. So now the roof of my house is gonna be red. Call this in. So y'all can be doing this with me. If y'all can be doing the tornado, like, you can do this like this if you want to.
This is supposed to smell like lime, but it smells like bleach.
Go ahead and subscribe to me at Keelan Ashby on YouTube. Follow me on my Instagram at Keelan Ashby. I know.
1 second.
I'm new to Instagram and I post some really cool pictures of it like that. I don't know why I'm a cat. I should be doing the cool pictures, but I have nothing cool to show.
You really want to give it that tornado-y effect.
So yeah.
And then you want to do that. And it should start looking like a tornado. And then you'll take your blue and you'll start drawing a house. And then before you start, you're going to want to do that to make it look like a house.
I'll do it with the same house I did. So all of this in and just part here.
And that's supposed to be all the remainings going to the tornado.
I'm done with red and blue.
And then,
go ahead and add all my blue
and then
side too.
You could take your blue
like this
and draw things going around it. Anything. You could even
like a shield, guys.
Draw a siren.
I know I just did this, so it looks cool.
That's about to be destroyed by the tornado.
Instead of doing that, what I did before. Guys, why do y'all keep falling? Why do you keep falling?
And you could even draw a crack to make it look like it's about to get sucked up.
Thank you.
And make it like that. This tornado is not that good, but I'm trying my best. And you can be done if you want. But before you stop, what's a storm without lightning?
Come down a little bit. Loop. Down. Loop. Swoop. Swoop.
Oh, that was perfect. I wasn't even looking. I was focusing on the camera.
Keep doing this until you get to the bottom of your thing. I mean, to the bottom of the tornado. Once you get to the small part, just stop and get to right here.
And you're done.
Y'all can't see.
Alright, 1 second. Oh god, that hurt.
I have a big card.
Alright. And after you got that all done, you should be finished.
One more lightning bolt, guys.
Oh God. Okay. And you're done. You could add a couple more things than I added. Maybe be a little more creative than me.
Jack in the Box tacos are fantastic. And for your list, I'm sorry to say this, but I do not like sushi. But I like honey. So if you're
So?
at least I like one of these things that you do.